In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add denoised audio in Google Slides. If you've ever had a great presentation held back by a noisy clip, this will help you get clean, polished sound that plays smoothly during your slides. We'll start by cleaning up your audio. Open your preferred tool, Audacity, Adobe Audition, or an online denoiser, and remove background hiss, hum, or room noise. In most tools, the process is the same. Capture a short snippet of the noise as a profile, then apply noise reduction to the whole file. Be conservative with the settings so you don't make the voice sound tinny or underwater. While you're there, trim silence, normalize or lightly compress the track for consistent volume, and make sure it sounds natural on regular speakers and headphones. Next, export the cleaned file in a Google Slides-friendly format. MP3, WAV, or OGG. MP3 is a great balance between quality and file size. A constant bitrate around 192 kbps and a 44.1 kHz sample rate works well. Give the file a clear name so you can find it later. Smaller files load faster in presentations, but don't compress so much that you introduce artifacts. Now, open your Google Slides presentation. Go to the slide where you want the audio to start. In the top menu, choose Insert, then Audio. Google Slides pulls audio from Google Drive, so make sure your exported file is saved there. In the selector, browse to the file, confirm it's the denoised version, and insert it. Once the audio icon appears on your slide, tune the playback settings. With the icon selected, open Format options on the right. Decide whether you want the audio to play automatically when the slide appears or only when clicked. If the audio needs to span multiple slides, turn on loop and consider hiding the icon so it doesn't distract from your content. Adjust the volume slider so it balances well with your speaking voice or other media. You can also resize or move the icon to a corner to keep your layout clean. Finally, test everything in present mode. Click present and step through your slides to confirm the audio starts and stops exactly when you expect, plays clearly, and doesn't clip or distort. If something sounds off, return to your editor to tweak the denoise settings or volume, re-export, and replace the file. That's it. Clean audio, properly formatted, inserted, and tested for a professional result in Google Slides.